Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 2. We'd like to present our material, which is electrical discharge machining. Next. What is EDM? EDM, known as spark machining and spark eroding, is the process where electrical energy used to generate spark between the tool and workpiece submerged under the electric medium, so that material removal takes place from surface of the workpiece by local melting or vaporization. There are important components in EDM. First is power supply system, the electric medium, workpiece and tool electrode, and the last is servo control unit. Generally, EDM works with electrical or conductive materials, while methods have been suggested for machining insulating ceramic with EDM. For every other metal or metal alloys such as titanium, Hastelloy, copper, and Inconel, this progress may be used. For the characteristic, we'll explain by Kak Dina.
Okay, here are the characteristics of EDM, which are first, MR depends on the thermal properties rather than its strength, hardness, or etc. And the second is the volume of the material extracted per spark discharge is usually in a range of 1 per 1 million to 1 per 10,000 millimeter. And the third is EDM could be easily achieved a tolerance value of plus minus 0.05 millimeter. And the last is the increase in the local temperature is very high, but there is not enough heat diffusion or it's very small pulse on time, and the hash is limited to 2 until 4 micrometer. Next.
There are three common types of EDM. First is drilling EDM. This process is used to drilling, and this type of EDM capable to make very small deep holes. The electrode of this process is tubular, and the electric fluid is fed through the electrodes themselves. The second is wire EDM. In this type, the wire is used as an electrode, and the wire is continuously fed from the automatic feed with the spool during processing. And the last is die EDM. The use of die EDM allows the user to produce complex shapes. This method requires electrode that made of graphite or copper to be pre-machined into the desired shape, and then the electrode is sunk into the article to form a negative of its original shape. Next.
And so, after we learned about what EDM is, the component, the type, and the characteristic, now we will talk about the principle and the process of EDM itself. And basically, EDM works by generating spark, and the metal will remove by spark erosion and evaporation. The spark generated by this process produces heat, and this heat that causes the metal removal. EDM spark erosion is same as electric spark, which burn a small hole in a workpiece and through with its contacts. Also, both of the workpiece and the two electrodes are made by the conductive metal. And for the process of electrode discharge machining, there are several steps here. And the first one is we have to submerge the workpiece and the tool into the electric field. As you can see here in the picture, for the tool electrode is the orange one, and for the workpiece is the green one, and for the dielectric field is the blue one. And then we have to maintain a very small gap between the workpiece and the tool using servo mechanism. Servo mechanism is automatic device used to correct the performance of a mechanism by means of an error sensing feedback. The term servo mechanism properly applies only to system in which the feedback of an error correction signal control mechanical position or one of its derivatives such as velocity and acceleration. A proper gap is necessary to generate sparks between the electrode and a workpiece. This gap is called discharge gap. In EDM, the voltage supplied is approximately 50 to 300 volts because higher voltage is not suitable for high precision machining. Therefore, EDM discharge gap is about 0.005 up to 1 millimeter, and it's around human hair thickness. And then we have to supply the electrode with a high frequency current. This process will produce a spark between the tool and the workpiece. And this metal removed from the workpiece due to the erosion and evaporate ion. And the chip resulted in this process between the tool and the workpiece will be removed by continuous supply of the electric fluid. It has to be removed to prevent them to form bridge that cause short circuit. And the EDM produce a cavity slightly larger than the electrode because the overcut. And it's all about the principle and the process of the EDM. Next is about the advantages and the disadvantages that will be presented by Kak Dina.
So after we know the process of EDM, why we use EDM? Because it has several advantages of EDM, which are: first is produce a complex shape, otherwise conventional cutting tool can be difficult to manufacture, and the second is extremely hard material to very close tolerance, and the third is between the tool and the workpiece there is no direct contact, therefore the delicate section and the weak materials can be processed without any distortion. And the last is it's possible to obtain a good surface finish. But when we use EDM, there are several disadvantages that must be considered. First, the power consumption is high, and the second is MRR is slow, and the third is excessive wear of tool occurs during machining, and the last is this process lead only to metallic or conductive material, means that non-conductive material can be processed with the specific setup in the process. And next application will be explained by Yamin.
Okay, last part is about application. There are some application for the EDM. First is for production prototype. Second, for stamping tools, for manufacturing of gears, for more making, for fine holes or slots, and for thread cutting. Okay, this is our presentation. Thank you. Thank you for attention and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.